Welcome to the video where we will repair the camera in Sony Xperia Z3 Compact. The damage, as you can see, consists in displaying the black background in the camera application. There is no valid image. The cause of this fault is the visible two filters on the motherboard. One of them will be for exchange. Sometimes it happens that the filter simply is missing and then it should be soldered. In our case, the upper filter was damaged, which had a crack at the lunder. Now let's check if the camera has returned to fitness. As you can see, the repair was successful. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. See you later.